Suppose two companies announce their results. Company A says, हमारी sales 30% grow हुई. Company B says, हमारी sales सिर्फ 20% grow हुई. Obviously, Company A better lag रही है, right? Not necessarily. Because most investors सिर्फ growth number देखते हैं. Smart investors एक और number देखते हैं. Growth की speed बढ़ रही है या slow हो रही है. Let me explain how this works for you. Imagine Company A was growing at 50% last year, then 40%, and now 30%. 30% growth still sounds amazing, but the company is slowing down every year. Now Company B ko dekho, it's growing too. Last year, it was growing at 8%, then 12%, and now 20%. Technically, Company B is still growing slower than Company A. But the direction is what matters. But something inside the business is clearly getting better. Maybe its new product is working. Maybe customers are spending more. Maybe it has entered a new market. Or maybe the company has finally figured out how to scale. This change from 8% to 12% to 20% is called growth acceleration. And sometimes, this is the number the market cares about more than the actual growth rate. Because stock prices usually don't move based on whether a company is good or bad. They move when the company becomes better or worse than investors expected. A company growing at 30% can disappoint the market if everyone expected 40%. But a company growing at 20% can surprise the market if investors expected only 12%. That is why you'll sometimes see this confusing situation. Company posts strong results, but the stock falls. Another company posts lower growth, but its stock shoots up. The market is not only asking, kitni growth hui? It is asking, growth ki direction kya hai? So next time you're checking company results, don't look at just one quarter. Write down the growth rate for at least the last 3 or 4 quarters. For example, 10%, 14%, 21%, 28%. That tells a completely different story from 40%, 35%, 27%, 20%. The latest number in the second company is still higher, but the first company may have stronger momentum. Just remember, growth acceleration alone is not a buy signal. Check whether the acceleration is sustainable, whether profits are improving, and whether the growth is coming from the actual business, not just an acquisition or one unusually weak quarter last year. But as a starting filter, this is one of the easiest ways to notice a business that may be improving before the improvement becomes obvious to everyone else. Don't just ask, how fast is this company growing? Ask, is it growing faster than before? That second question is where the real insight is. I hope this helps you make better investment decisions.